Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to write our words 3 times. So we're going to focus on sounds that make the sound. So the first word we're going to write is turn. Turn. Next, we are going to write burn. Burn. Number 3, let's do barn. Barn. Number 4, start. Start. Next one, let's do perch. Perch. 2 more. We have fern. Fern. And the last one is clerk. Clerk. So now that we have our words written, I want you to now do them in a crayon and a marker so that when you're all finished, it should look like this. So you have all of your words written 3 times, once in crayon and once in marker. Now, if you move over onto the back, we have another write your word, and some of these are 2-syllable words. So we read all the words in the word bank so that we know what they are. So the first one, yogurt. Curtain. What is it? Curtain. Purple. Purr. Curl. Hurry. Burger. Hurt. Slurp. Okay. So the first one was yogurt. So yogurt is here. Yogurt. Remember, then we cross it off so that we know which ones we've used. Next one. Curtain. So we have a curtain right here. Curtain. Purple. Where do you think all of the purple things are? Purple. Right here. Purple. And then we have purr. Which one is an animal that makes that sound? Yeah, it's the cat. Purr. And then I'm going to give you one more, and then I'm going to have you do some on your own. So slurp is this one right here. Slurp. So you can do, this one is hurry, curl, burger, hurt. I want you to do the last 4 on your own. Then make sure your name is on the top and turn in your work.